Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best gas cooktops that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Empava Gas Stove Cooktop. In this gas cooktop, you will get the option to use it with either PLG or natural gas. It has 2 nozzles, and you can easily use it in different applications. Additionally, the sealed burners ensure minimal cleanup as it prevents food from falling on it. Moreover, it has cast iron grates and lets you clean it on a dishwasher. It is also flexible and includes a dual ring burner. The cooktop is resistant to discoloration and is very durable. Furthermore, it has low maintenance and is in an exceptional design. It is also easy to install and comes with thermocouples to avoid gas leakage. At number 4. Empava Gas Stove Top Cooktop. The convertible nozzles of this gas cooktop will let you choose from either LPG or natural gas. This has efficient performance and comes with 5 burners. Moreover, this is easy to clean and has low maintenance. Furthermore, it is flexible and comes with a dual ring burner. The burners have different output and distribute the heat evenly. You will also find durable knobs that let you have better control. The convenient design of this gas cooktop will let you use it anywhere and is perfect for RV and outdoor use. Additionally, this is safe to use and lets you prepare meals like a professional. At number 3. Empava Gas Stove Cooktop. The powerful performance of this gas cooktop will let you have a comfortable in your kitchen. It has convertible nozzles that let you select from natural gas or LPG. Moreover, this is very durable, and you can easily use it for outdoor cooking. It also has high BTU and has sealed burners to allow you to clean it conveniently. Furthermore, this has high power and lets you perform multiple tasks in the kitchen. The burner size varies, and you can select the appropriate one according to your needs. Additionally, it does not lose its color and is safe to use. At number 2. Empava 30-inch Gas Cooktop. The gas cooker is made of stainless steel top. Stain and heat discoloration resistant stainless steel surface will provide you with a reliable cooktop for years to come. Enjoy your cooking time. With 4 different versatile burner size with triple ring burner 12,000 BTU, rapid burner 10,000 BTU, 2 semi-rapid burner 6,500 BTU, auxiliary burner 4,000 BTU, for simmer, boil, frying, etc. The durable knobs and laser-cut full-width edge-to-edge heavy cast iron grates can be cleaned in the dishwasher for hassle-free, effortless cleaning and maintenance to enhance the look. The use of a thermocouple flameout fault system ensures that the gas is automatically turned off when no flame is detected, helping to avoid gas leakage. Finally at number 1. Empava 36-in Gas Stove Cooktop. The next high-end US and Canada CSA-certified gas cooktop by Empava Appliances. It's the real secret weapon behind many great meals. Let this gas-operated appliance give you the utmost in cooking flexibility and help you cook like a professional chef in your own home. Still hesitating? Check out the Empava electric induction cooktop and wall ovens as well. The 5 world-class made in Italy SABAF burner gas cooktops by Empava features one of the latest flame failure thermocouples auto shut-off protection technology that prevents gas leak to keep your home and family safe. Enjoy minimal cleanup with sealed burners to prevent food from falling into them. Stain and heat discoloration resistant stainless steel surface will provide you with a reliable cooktop for years to come. Empava recessed gas cooktop offers you the flexibility you need to make all your favorite dishes with precision and flair. 4 different versatile burner size with a dual ring 2000 BTU burner, a 1000 BTU burner, 66500 BTU burner and 4000 BTU burner distribute even heat for simmer, boil, stir-frying, steaming, melting or even caramelizing. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.